If you've watched any of my cinematic bikepacking films, you'd be forgiven for thinking that all my adventures are trouble-free with perfect scenery and unspoiled views. But in this video, I'm going to show you 7 things that I never wanted you to see.
The first is that there's also light clips, all you need to do is take the attachment off. Hello and welcome to another bike review. So that's it, my Cannondale Topstone. So that's it, my Cannondale Topstone.
That was a bit rubbish, wasn't it?
Good if I could do it. Good. You can do it.